RBO. Today guys, we're going to be going over my German Canteen survival kit. This is a German Canteen from 1978, 70 something. That's what it was marked as when I bought it. And yeah, I went ahead and turned it into a survival kit. I love this canteen setup, or the mess kit setup itself. The way that the handle slides into here, and the strap itself, and how it's held up for so long in such great condition. I know it's beat up, but for what it is and what it's done, it's in great condition. But further ado, let's get into it, see what's inside. Here, all you have to do to open this canteen kit, or mess kit, or survival kit, you just pull down this tab, and letting that thing come through, and that releases the pressure, and it pops open like that. I did try to pack as much as I could in there, as you can tell. First off, we have our first aid kit. This has our antiseptic wipes. Let's go through real quick for you guys. I don't think I've ever gone through this actual kit for you. So let's go ahead and do that. Here we have our antiseptic wipes. We have our alcohol wipes. Here we have our bandages. Next we have some provolone iodine prep pads, along with some gauze. We have some sterile gloves. Make sure that's still nice and locked. We also have a CPR mask, which works great. Should be in every kit that you have when you're out hiking, because you never know. Even if it's not you that needs it, you come across somebody and you want to be safe. Here we have a tourniquet, just a basic little tourniquet. Here we got 3 safety pins. We also got the Ziploc bag of canning. The safety pins are usually used for an arm sling, just to help it hold it together. It's not just tied there. Here we have our basic razor blade. Use this for cutting. Hold on, guys. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Had an ambulance going by and it's getting louder and louder. Here on the top, you can see we have a little capsule stuff up here. Now we have our bandana. This is going to be used to carry everything once you start using this stuff, or you can set it out on this and then wrap it up like a hobo kit, and it'll work great for that. I also went ahead and thrown in a pack of nuts for a little boost. We have a survival card here. Just has a whole bunch of cool little wrenches and not ratchets, but screwdriver heads, can opener, saw, screwdrivers here. We have our blade, another bottle opener, and these are the wrenches and whatnot. It just opens your abilities, which is great in a survival situation. It's very compact, so. Here we have a magnification lens, mostly for fire starting, also be used for first aid. If you're getting something out of your skin or seeing if there's still something left. We have 1 pack of 10-hour hand warmers, as well as a micro sewing kit. It has 2 safety pins, 2 buttons, and 6 different threads, or 6 threads, 2 of the white. For light, we just have a basic little flashlight. Does the job. For water purification, we have a water filtration straw from Frontier, tied up with some trash bag ties, and cut down just to save space. Here we have our knockoff Swiss Army knife. It has all the basic amenities. I don't know if a lot of them do have Swiss Army knife, or Swiss Army knives do have the saws like this size, but this one does have a saw, so it's just nice to have that ability. It also has the toothpick and the tweezers, so you can pull out slivers if you get them out there. For fire starting, we have some UCO stormproof matches. These things work great. They're a great thing to use in moist environments as well. For some nutrition, on top of the nuts, we have some peanut butter. And this is just from a humanitarian pack. I also have 2 packs of vitamin C. Just give you a little bit more boost. Keep you warm at night. I went ahead and added a survival mylar blanket. Great for reflecting heat, building shelters, or even signaling for help. And we also have some water activated towelettes. These are great for hygiene, first aid, water filtration, signaling, marking trails, all that stuff. Then another way of fire starting, we have a basic Bic lighter with some duct tape wrapped around it to use as a fire starter. Then we have some snare wire in the bottom as well. Additional cordage, we have some 550 paracord. Wrapped up some trash ties. As a way of signaling, we just have a little star flash signal mirror. Okay, we have 3 water activated towelettes and 3 vitamin C packets. Sorry, it's hard for me to see in this kit the way I have it laid. Another way of fire starting, we have a ferrocerium rod from Swiss to light my fire. And we have a fishing kit. We have our line wrapped around there. Got a little fake lure in there. Hook, sinkers, leads. Perfect little kit. Another way of signaling, we have a basic steel emergency whistle. And another way of purifying water, we have our basic water purification tablets. And that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys add anything, take anything out, or if you do it all entirely different. I love hearing from you guys in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.